Most guys hit a midlife crisis and buy a Corvette. Around here, it usually ends with a cab tractor. And honestly, best decision some people ever make. Heat, AC, hydrostatic, and just enough peace and quiet to make work a little easier. Some machines are about horsepower. This one is about making life easier.